Hey everyone, got some special news coming right up. In this video, we want to announce our official rebranding. After 3 years of VideoProc, we are changing the name to VideoProc Converter. The name change is part of a rebranding initiative to better align with the company's product roadmap for the future. VideoProc Converter will concentrate on video conversion and processing, while the company's new product, VideoProc Vlogger, will focus on non-linear video editing, so two separate products. VideoProc Converter has been a hit product so far. It's a one-stop video processing software which utilizes full GPU acceleration all the way up to 4K Ultra HD videos. Since its release in September 2018, it has been installed more than 3 million times by people from 180 countries. Along with the name change, VideoProc Converter comes with a new version release. So the latest version of VideoProc Converter 4.3 adds support for Windows 11 OS, released on October, and macOS 12 Monterey, the 18th major release of Mac OS, unveiled in June 2021. Moreover, VideoProc Converter can now copy AC3 when merging files. Some of the technology highlights of VideoProc Converter are: delivers buttery smooth video processing with the advanced level 3 hardware acceleration, fully powered by Intel, AMD, and NVIDIA GPUs. It expedites 4K, 8K, or HDR video transcoding and processing while optimizing file size and output video quality. Encompasses 370 plus input codecs and more than 420 output formats without third-party codec packs, and supports transcoding needs including H.264 to H.265, also known as eHVC, or MKV to MP4, AVI to YouTube, 3D to 2D, and so on. It answers bare-bones audio and video editing needs and screen recording. Users can cut and merge video clips, add effects, correct fisheye, and stabilize GoPro videos, and more. It compresses large video size by 90% with a merely pixel-level quality difference. So apart from non-linear editing, VideoProc Converter focuses on offering an easier and lower CPU-consuming operating experience for 4K video processing. Everything is built around simplicity. In VideoProc Converter, experienced users will benefit from the core technologies including GPU acceleration. They can select codec, bitrate, frame rate, aspect ratios, and sampler rate as needed. While novice users will find it easy to get their hands around the clean and simple interface, which was designed to be very easy to use. For users that need more professional editing features, you can check out our new free non-linear video editing software called VideoProc Vlogger. This new editing freeware allows creating motion effects, applying speed ramping, doing color grading and correcting, editing audio background music, and so much more. So VideoProc Converter has been rebranded to better embrace a future full of continuous improvement and endless innovation. The name change also reflects the value proposition and go-to-market approach, so VideoProc Converter will be maintained and updated as usual. There's more to expect in the future, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest news and tutorials in the world of video editing and video conversions. If you have any questions or video requests, please leave a comment below to let us know. Talk to you soon.